Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how you can claim a $250 no deposit bonus account that you can use to start trading without having to make any deposit on your own. Showing on the screen is the broker where we'll be getting the account. As you can see right here, your 250 no deposit bonus account. All you have to do is just register and open an account with them. Then you can go ahead and claim this particular account. Showing on the screen, as you can see, it is instant credit and no deposit is required while getting this particular bonus. So if you know this is the first time of you coming across this channel, make sure you like, share, comment and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out. After subscribing, make sure you turn on the notification button so you'll be notified when I drop new videos concerning free no deposit bonus account, preferred account, profit account that you can use to start trading without stress. So the next thing you want to do now is to get the link to this particular account. Now to get the link to this particular account, all you have to do is just to click on the description of this video. Once you get to the description of the video, you see the link right there. Click on the link, it will take you to my Telegram channel. Once you get there, click on join. It is very important to click on join. I drop details and information concerning the account on my Telegram channel, and also the terms and conditions will be dropped there. So it is very important that you click on join so you don't miss out on the particular information. Now after clicking on join, you can go ahead and I'll get the link that will bring you right to this broker right here. So now once you click on the link, it will bring this interface showing on the screen. All you have to do is just click on claim your bonus now. So after clicking on claim your bonus, as you can see right showing on the screen, it will bring you to the part where you have to register and open an account with them. Of course, you're a new client, so all you have to do is just wait patiently for it to load. Then after loading, here you have to put in your details that you'll be using to register an account with them. So the first thing you're going to do now is to put in your first name, last name, your email address, add in your phone number, your password. Then after that you repeat, then you click on register. So after done registering, you confirm and proceed. So this is what is going to pop up on your screen right here. So after confirming and proceed, as you can see right here, your account has been registered. So you need to check in your email to confirm the registration. Now once you get your email, you click on the message right here. This is what you'll be getting in your email address, as you can see right here. So that the next thing you want to do now is to click on this confirmation link right here. Click on the confirmation link to register and confirm your email address. Then after doing that, this will pop up right on your screen. You just have to wait patiently for it to load. Once this load, after confirming your email address, all you have to do is to log in right here. Put in your email and your password, and after that you will see that your email has successfully confirmed. So you click on OK, and then you move to go ahead to get in the account. As I said earlier, do well to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on more updates and information regarding Forex no deposit bonus and how you can make money online. So moving forward, the next thing now you want to do to get your account now is to click on the dashboard. Click on the three line, then after that you click on all bonuses right here. Then after that you click on the account that you want. Put in this account, you'd have already gotten yours. Just put in accept their terms and condition right there. As you can see, you click on the small box, then after that you click on get bonus. After you click on get bonus, you see your bonus was used successfully. Then you click on my bonus. This is your $250 no deposit bonus account showing on the screen live. And as you can see, this status of the account is active. Your account is already active. The moment you get the bonus, your account is already active. So now all you want to do now is to click on my bonus to check on more details concerning this particular account. So after doing all of this, for you to get your login details that you're using to trade in your MetaTrader 4, the next thing you want to do now is to head to your email. Go to your email. So you'll be getting your login details that you're using to trade in your MetaTrader 4. So now showing on the screen are the details that you need to know concerning this particular account. These are the details you need to know concerning this particular account. So now let's head to our email to get our login details that we'll be using to trade in our MetaTrader 4. So this is what you have in your email. As you can see, This is your login details. Your platform is MT4. Your server is Trade server, and your login details, that's your ID and your password. So now the next thing you want to do now is to copy your password and your login details and add to your MetaTrader 4. So this is your MetaTrader 4 account. All you have to do is just add and log into your existing account, search for the broker, which is Trade, as you can see. Then after that, you click on this broker, put in your login details and your password, as you can see right there showing on the screen. This is my login details. Click on sign in. Then after that, you have your account ready. All you have to do is just click on trade and your account will be showing right there in the balance. And also you can go ahead and open trade and start trading. This is all you need to know concerning this particular account. If you have any question, do well to ask in the comment section. Do not forget to like, share, comment from where you are watching from, and also subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on the details, information concerning Forex no deposit bonus, free funded account, profit account, and how you can make money online this year. See you in my next video.